The Ultimate Guide to Finding an Expert. 18-Wheeler Accident Lawyer in Dallas. Introduction: Navigating the Complexity of 18-Wheeler Accidents. In the bustling city of Dallas, 18-wheeler accidents pose a significant challenge to the safety of motorists and pedestrians alike. When faced with the aftermath of such a catastrophic event, it is crucial to have an experienced and reliable 18-wheeler accident lawyer by your side. Understanding the intricate legal proceedings and complexities involved in these cases is imperative for ensuring a favorable resolution. The importance of seeking legal counsel. Immediately, in the wake of an 18-wheeler accident, time is of the essence. Consulting a proficient lawyer promptly can significantly enhance your chances of securing a successful claim. Swift action allows for the preservation of crucial evidence and ensures that your case is handled with utmost diligence from the outset. Qualities to look for in an 18-wheeler accident lawyer. Extensive experience. Opt for a lawyer with a proven track record in handling 18-wheeler accident cases, demonstrating a comprehensive understanding of the legal nuances specific to this area. Robust negotiation skills. A skilled negotiator can effectively communicate with insurance companies and opposing parties, advocating for your rights while striving for a fair settlement. Trial proficiency. While settlements are often preferred, having a lawyer prepared to go to trial if necessary exhibits a commitment to securing the best possible outcome for you. Understanding the legal complexities of 18-wheeler accidents. Amid the labyrinth of legal intricacies, it is crucial to comprehend the unique challenges associated with 18-wheeler accidents. These incidents often involve multiple parties, intricate insurance policies, and complex regulations. A knowledgeable lawyer can navigate these complexities with finesse, ensuring that every aspect of the case is meticulously addressed. Securing just compensation for damages and injuries. One of the primary objectives of hiring an adept 18-wheeler accident lawyer is to seek rightful compensation for the damages and injuries sustained. This encompasses not only medical expenses and property damage, but also factors such as lost wages, pain and suffering, and long-term rehabilitation needs. A proficient lawyer will diligently assess all aspects of your case to secure the compensation you deserve. Collaborative approach and ongoing communication. Effective communication is pivotal in the attorney-client relationship. Look for a lawyer who prioritizes transparent and consistent communication, keeping you informed at every step of the legal process. A collaborative approach fosters trust and ensures that you remain an active participant in the progression of your case. Final thoughts. Prioritizing your legal needs. When faced with the aftermath of an 18-wheeler accident, the importance of a knowledgeable and skilled legal representative cannot be overstated. By carefully evaluating the qualities and expertise of a prospective lawyer, you can navigate the complexities of your case with confidence, knowing that your rights are being ardently advocated for. Take the necessary steps today to secure the legal support you deserve and pave the way for a just and favorable resolution.